Okay, so today we are going to do this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then just stay tuned. So I went ahead and I put on my concealer and my foundation already. I will leave contouring and highlighting for after I do my eyes. So to start on my eyes, I'm going to use Sandstone Pearl. That is my go-to base that I use all the time. Candlelight has awesome coverage, but it's a little too peachy on my skin tone. So I stick with Sandstone Pearl. And I'm just going to put this all over. I desperately need my eyebrows waxed. Desperately. It's okay, they're getting done Wednesday. So I only have like 5 more days. That could be a ton of growth. That would be horrible. Okay, anyway, try not to pluck. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with Mocha Java. And this is my go-to color that I use in my crease. Put that on a nice fluffy brush. Now I am going to want Mocha Java to be a little darker because it is a more dramatic eye. Try to pull that color down. Okay, so Senogens has 3 colors that can come in a matte or a shimmer form. So I'm going to show you those side by side. I'm going to use both of those today. I'm going to put the matte down first, and then I'm going to put the shimmer on top. So I'm just going to go in with kind of a shader brush. Get some of that on there, not a ton. And I'm going to pat this all over my lid. I'm going to bring this up to my crease and slightly above. And then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm going to blend this out. I'm just going to kind of build that up a little bit more on my lid area. If you want the color to be nice and deep, you can actually use the applicator itself. Just be careful because if you get a lot of product on there, you're going to have to blend that out. And just that clean fluffy brush again, being very careful. To blend this color out. So the next color I'm going to do is Smoked Topaz Shimmer. So again, this is that same color as Smoked Topaz, but it is in a shimmer form. And I'm going to use more of a cut crease brush to put this on. And I'm just kind of like packing this on my lid. I'm just going to smooth out some edges very lightly. All right, so I am going to go ahead and finish up my face. And of course, you guys know I'm going to speed that up because you don't have to watch the whole thing. You get the idea. And then I'm going to finish my eyes. Okay? All right, sweet. to choose to do Glacier glitter on more of the inside part of my eye, just to add a little bit of a shimmer, a little bit more of a shimmer than the Smoke Topaz has. And because who doesn't want just a touch of glitter? I mean, for real. I love glitter. And then I'm gonna choose to do Snow in the inside corner of my eye, just to really brighten up that area. Then just gonna use another brush just to kind of blend that out. All right, so now that that Glacier glitter has had time to dry down a little, I'm gonna add a touch more. Okay, awesome. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to my eyeliner. And for that, I'm going to use a small angled brush. And then I'm gonna use Onyx as my eyeliner. Take the Copper Rose Shimmer and I'm going to put this on the underside of my eye. Okay, so now I'm moving on to lashes, and I am going to use our brand new VolumeIntense mascara and primer. So the primer is amazing. This is like called our new Undersense, and it lengthens, volumizes, conditions, and has a lash growth serum in it that can grow your lashes. So it's like a no-brainer, honestly. It has like a beige formula, which dries clear. I am obsessed with it. So you just put it on your lashes like you normally would normal mascara. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my non-waterproof VolumeIntense mascara. This stuff is insane. Like, I don't even have to wear fake lashes. Alright, so here you have it. Here's the finished look, and again, you guys know I'm in love with it. It's really, really pretty. This is actually just like, it's a pretty solid look for day or evening. I mean, I'm rocking it in my camo t-shirt, right? I got some blue jeans on. I could throw on some Converse and be out the door and run some errands. And then if you guys would be so kind, make sure to like the video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching today. Have a wonderful day.